So this is the dashboard for the Dragster. Got the command center in it, and it's got a painless switch panel. And the back of it, got a lot going on back there. Pull a lot of it a little bit so you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking that apart and clean up that panel. Make it look a little better. Well, found a couple things already. We got the command center out. It's a good box in its time, in my opinion. Small. You get older like me, it's a little harder to read the dial. I guess probably once you know it, it's no big deal. I'm gonna guess it probably controls the throttle stop as well. I guess. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm taking apart the dashboard. It is a Undercover dashboard, which makes it worth saving for sure. It has this painless kit in it. But it's interesting because it must have been possibly for a door car, the box, maybe, because it's one piece there and there. However, in a Dragster, yes, I can see the fuses, but down in there, to me it'd be a pain in the ass. But I guess that's the way this particular car was wired and set up. I'm not a real fan of that. I would rather have the fuses where I could look at them directly. And knowing that the guy who owns this car is probably 6 foot or better, 6'2" maybe, doesn't really even fit in the car for the most part. Well, he's a door car guy, but to get under there and see the dash, under the dash to see that fuse panel would be a problem. However, I'm not real sure if we can separate it out and still continue to use this panel switch. Here's the wires for the tack. Many a times grabbed a used tack and the guy's got the leads cut clear up here. Well, that really makes the tack useless. But I can see where it would be just as easy to grab these snips and clip that sucker right there. But I'm gonna assume we're gonna be using this tack, and if not, on this day and age when everything is done off a computer somewhere, telling it when to leave, RPM limits, shift points, all that, tack is really nothing more than to set an idle with. And hell, even that really can be done just by where you like it idling at. But anyway, for this particular case, we will sort out all the wires. So this is still a useful tack whether the owner decides to keep it or not. Well, we successfully got all the gauges out. And we have a naked dashboard. We're gonna go to a 475, like a dial board, may go something or another 475. Sorry if my numbers aren't correct. I'm old, LOL. Anyway, I figure we'll probably paint that dash once we have the new hole cut for the new delay box.